We found widespread abuses plaguing this whole industry.
Mr. Cook, I have a question.
Trying to have a conversation with this guy.
Join the channel that Bill O'Reilly wishes would just shut up. Click anywhere to subscribe to Brave New Films and watch feature-length documentaries directed by Robert Greenwald, including Out Fox, Wal Mart, Cook Brothers Exposed, and War on Whistleblowers, plus dozens of shorts and behind-the-scenes footage.
You sacrificed our loved ones for your profit.
If we don't keep fighting, it's definitely going to continue.
Make an impact and subscribe today.